In the North Bay, CAL FIRE let us get a look at its new aircraft, which it will use to fight wildfires this summer. Here's KRON 4's Charles Clifford.
The cornerstone of CAL FIRE's ability to respond quickly to a wildfire are aircraft like the ones you see behind me here, and they are predicting a long, hot, dry fire season, and they say these tools are more important than ever. This fire season, CAL FIRE's Sonoma Lake Napa unit will be using 3 fixed-wing aircraft and 3 helicopters, including this Firehawk, to respond to wildfires. These aircraft are deployed across the North Bay at multiple airports, including a main base in Santa Rosa and here at the Napa airport. The idea is to be able to reach any wildfire within 20 minutes. These aircraft can also team up with units from across the state. CAL FIRE is expecting an active wildfire season, and they see these aircraft as being key to saving lives and property.
These aviation resources are key to achieving one of CAL FIRE's core objectives, containing 95% of wildfires at 10 acres or less. Rapid initial attack remains the cornerstone of our fire protection strategy.
And as CAL FIRE prepares to respond quickly to fires, they, along with local officials, are asking everyone to be ready as well.
If you haven't already, please take time today to create defensible space around your home. Sign up for Alert Napa County to receive emergency alerts and evacuation notices. And most importantly, pack a go bag and be ready to leave if evacuation orders are issued.
Of the 6 aircraft in the Lake Napa Sonoma Unit, 3, including this Chinook and this Blackhawk, are being leased, but only for the remainder of the year. And finally, CAL FIRE's main air attack base is in Santa Rosa, but the Chinook you see behind me there, that twin rotor helicopter, will remain here at the Napa airport throughout the summer. But for now, in the North Bay, Charles Clifford, KRON 4 News.